There was certainly effort with that one. That's good. Anybody else think they can chant louder than us?
Without mic.
আজকে আছেন আমাদের থেকে জোরে করতে পারবেন মাইক ছাড়া?
How about a lot of you standing right in front of me? Without mic. Pretend you're yelling at him.